In this video I'm going to be showing you how to download your final infographic. So that's point number 5. So to do that you're going to need to go straight over to your Canva account and open your final infographic image. And once you're happy with that, you're then going to go up the top where you've got various options: share, download, or order prints. We're going to download this because what we want to do is download it as an actual file and then upload it to your classroom as evidence of your work. So you've got a choice of 4: JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, or PDF print, and you're going to click on PDF standard and then simply click download. That will then begin downloading. When it's ready, it should pop up on your computer in the bottom left hand corner, and then all you need to do is click show in folder. You can even just open it directly by double clicking, and then you'll see on our computer we have our downloaded PDF ready to be uploaded.